Hi everyone, my name is Kim Amato, and today I'm going to be doing a fall thrift haul. So I went thrifting this past week on Long Island, and I wanted to show you guys some cool pieces that I got for when it turns into the fall season and gets a little colder outside. So the first item I got is actually a great transition from summer into fall, and it is this Banana Republic t-shirt. It is in the size medium, and I got it for $3.99, and it is kind of this great thick texture, so it's going to be awesome to transition into fall. You could probably wear this any season, honestly, not just the fall, but I really do like this kind of burnt orange type of color. It's super pretty and can be worn with a bunch of different things, can be worn literally every season, like I said, so this is going to be great to have. I'm super excited to wear this. The next item I got is actually this really fun graphic tee. It's a Coors Light tee, $3.99, oversized, and it's going to be great with some biker shorts right now in the summer, and then transitioning into fall it's going to be great with some leggings or even some jeans. You can wear this lounging around in the house. Kind of self-explanatory, a nice graphic tee to have. That's the t-shirt. And for the next item, I got this really thick, chunky, kind of brown colored cardigan. So this is actually by the brand Express Tricot. I don't think I've ever heard of it. It was $4.99, a great deal, and it is part wool, so I'm gonna have to take really good care of this, but I think this is such a cute chunky cardigan. I love chunky cardigans. Anything oversized is really fun for me in the fall, so really cute. It has pockets on the bottom, as you can see right here, and then the buttons are really big and brown. So I really love the detailing on this. It is super cute. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this when it gets a little bit colder. The next item I got is this thermal, and it is in this oatmeal color. I think this is really nice to have in the winter months and when it is fall as well, when it gets a little colder. So you can wear this underneath stuff as like a thermal, or you can wear this just as a normal shirt. It's kind of versatile, and I love the oatmeal color for fall. So this is $4.99, size large, from the brand Club Room. I think this is super cute, a really good find for me. Okay, so the next piece I got was really what I went into the thrift store looking for. This is from Gap, and this is also part wool as well. So this huge flannel I got. It is this red, green, yellow, brown mixture of colors. Super nice. It's from Gap originally, and it was $6.99, and it's just really oversized. It's going to be super awesome, a great staple to have when you're going apple picking. Even when it gets really cold in the winter, you can wear this layered with a jacket and a hoodie, a jean jacket you could wear this layered with. It's super awesome. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it, so I'm very excited to have this piece, and it's going to be worn a ton during this fall season. And then this I saw because it reminded me of something that I saw on ASOS for like $50. This was $5.99, and it is a large, 100% cotton, by the brand Pure Stuff. So it is this nice corduroy feeling button down. I really like it. It's this kind of beige off-white color, and I loved the buttons on it. They're kind of like a tortoiseshell type of vibe going on, brown and beige. I really liked it, so I picked it up, and I'm super excited to have this, not spending $50. I only spent, what did I spend? $5.99, so you really can't beat it. Last thing that I personally got was this LL Bean fleece, and I've been looking for something like this on Depop for so long, and I'm so glad I found it at the thrift store. It was $10.99. It's a size extra large, and like I said, I love anything huge and big and comfy for the fall. So as you can see, there's the little LL Bean symbol, and I love the color red on me, so I thought this was super awesome to have. And I like the blue detailing as well, so I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this, and I can wear this at home when it gets a little colder, outside, walking around when we go to any orchards or a brewery, you go walking in the park. I think this is super cute. I think this is not everybody's taste, but it certainly is mine, and if you're looking for any nice fleeces, definitely go to the thrift store because you can get your hands on a ton of them, and they're super affordable. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you the stuff that my girlfriend got, just in case you're interested in what she had bought and picked up. So, another kind of thermal shirt. She got a LL Bean. This is a size small, and this is $4.99. This is a thermal in kind of an off-white, white color. She can wear this to work, but then also wear it underneath some clothes to make herself more warm, or just wear it as a shirt as well. So this is what it looks like, and I think this is super cute. I love the detailing across in the front. I think it's really nice. So that's the first item she picked up. The second item she got, I totally wanted her to get this because I think this is super awesome. It is a thick, kind of waffle knit thermal material polo Ralph Lauren shirt. It's this beautiful cobalt blue, and the polo symbol is in green. Polo you can't really beat at the price for $4.99, so told her she had to get it. And I think it's going to be great for her. So this piece that my girlfriend got is this button down kind of southwestern print shirt. So it is a little bit thicker than your normal button down. I love the fabric on this. It doesn't have a tag, but it has a pocket on the side. I think this is super cute. So I think this pattern really suits her, and she's going to get a lot of use out of this. So, and the second to last piece that my girlfriend got is this Obey shirt for literally $3.99. I mean, you could find this at PacSun, any type of clothing store like that, but she found it at the thrift store, and it's really nice, kind of simple black. It says Obey on the side and then 3 Obeys on the back, but I think this is super cute. It's a really soft material, and it's great for me to steal, so I think this is a really great piece for her to have, kind of versatile. You can wear it all year round. And the last piece that she got is this Banana Republic really chunky cardigan for $13. So it is this nice light blue that looks great with her skin tone. Really, really heavy. Great neckline going down. Obviously you have the big buttons, and it's super chunky and thick, and she's going to get a lot of use out of this. I know she can wear this to work, commuting to work, but then also, you know, out to eat. You can wear this on Thanksgiving, Christmas. You can get a ton of use out of this. So I think it's super awesome. And for this, you know, heavy Banana Republic quality for $13, you really can't beat it. So that's the last item for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. My Instagram should be linked down below. It's KimmaModel13. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys later on. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.